Daniel de las Trinas, and I am here to perform the formula feeding and baby burping. Okay, so before we start, make sure our hands are already clean and our materials are already prepared. The milk powder, the bottle with water inside, the scooper, and the knife to level the powder. Remember, boiling the water helps to kill the bacteria that might be in the milk powder. Always read the packaging and use the amount of formula powder and water as recommended in the instructions. Then, using the scoop provided, add the required amount of formula powder. Make sure to level off each scoop using a clean knife and then mix the formula by gently shaking the bottle side to side. Remember to check the temperature of the milk if it is in the safe temperature to drink. Now, after feeding, your baby is now ready to burp. Hold your baby up so the baby is towards you, and then firmly pat your baby's back, and after a while, the baby will start to burp.